we're going to quickly wrap up, say what we learned, what we thought was good, what we thought was bad, give some feedback, go home. So let's start with my always reliable sidekick, Maria Eva. Give me 2 things you liked, 1 thing you didn't like, and some feedback about what you got out of this course. The PPAT thing, the deconstruction of it, it's very nice, and it even helping me to be able to articulate it to you. So it helps both you learn, but also you to train. Like, it's helping me to train, because it's just too difficult in your head to remember all of the things that you need to say. Kevin?
I like seeing the planes that you were working in, and how they were developed, and how having them well defined and clear allowed you to problem solve when there were problems.
Just it's that rewinding it, replaying it.
Do people agree with that?
Yes.
40-60.
Yeah, I really liked that you gave a good theoretical foundation for all the procedures.
Yeah.
And connected to that is also some new practical ideas and methods that you use during the procedures. I really like adjusting the new situation in a moment.
Well, what I like about the courses and also today is the methodical approach. I really like that it is almost mathematics that you describe. I mean, you do the incision, you stretch a little bit, explaining you stretch, then you do some dissection to the left, the right, to try. Also, like, for instance, you can say the incision has to be how big, and to make it clear, it may not be the perfect answer, but at least you get an answer. I mean, you told me before that you did it once or twice, but it's good that we were able to see it, to see how you solve the problem. Yeah, I mean, I'm just wondering, so yeah, you spoke about 15 cases, learning curve, and go on.
That's what's published, yeah. I mean, I think I think the problem with publishing that sort of thing is everyone's different.
Yeah.
Everyone takes the things quicker. So.
5, maybe.
But if you're in a supervised environment, I think 15, 20 procedures is a reasonable number to be supervised by. You've done a lot of ESD, you've done a lot of interventional stuff. I don't think it's unreasonable for you to do 5, one complete one, and then go back to your unit and start doing it. I don't think that's unreasonable. All right, guys, thank you very much for this great course. Thank you for the feedback. I have to thank some people. I'm going to thank Caroline predominantly, as I can just see the cupboard. She's probably already done all the cleaning up in there, and now we'll have to come in and clean up in here. So I want to thank her for not just cleaning up, for organizing everything, for organizing the you guys coming, for organizing the food was great, the videos were great, the quality was great, the streaming was great, the content was great, the cases were great. Everything you did, Caroline, was fantastic.